radiant presence and unwavering positivity which illuminate each day, bring happiness to everyone around her. Okay, her ability to promote kindness is evident through her actions and infectious smile. Eliana teaches us the profound importance of compassion, creating a warm and inclusive environment that enriches the lives of everyone in the class. Okay, may we call the parents?
Give mama.
As a mom to a child diagnosed with autism, today there is nothing but gratitude in my heart. I am grateful to God first and foremost for His grace towards our family. I am grateful that this day we witnessed our daughter reach a milestone. I am grateful for the Playhouse Molino for welcoming my daughter with open arms. I know very well that it is not easy to accommodate a child with special needs. It is challenging for the teachers and for the class. Nung nag-inquire po ako last year kung pwede bang mag-enroll yung daughter ko sa school na ito, I was actually prepared na isagot sa akin ni teacher, "Sorry mommy, hindi kami makaka-accommodate." But you know, saan ba si teacher? But you know, from the first day na nakausap namin si Teacher Angel, and we told her of my daughter's diagnosis. Ang reply agad ni teacher with a smile, "Okay, mommy, wala pong problema. We will see what we can do." On our daughter's first day as a pre-kinder, I heard the teachers call my daughter, "Hi, love! Good morning, love!" Hindi alam ng mga teachers na sobrang laking bagay nun for an autism parent like me. And I can testify that the Playhouse Molino is indeed a place full of love. This school knows what it means to be inclusive. Thank you, Teacher Angel and TPM, for giving our daughter a chance to grow and learn alongside her wonderful classmates. Thank you, TPM, for believing that education is for everybody. Thank you for embracing my daughter for who she is. Thank you for this experience of a lifetime. This milestone will be etched in our hearts forever. I pray that the Lord will continue to bless this school, and I pray that you will have huge success so that you can be a blessing to many more families like ours. Again, congratulations to all of us here today.
Congratulations! Dahil nagsa-celebrate tayo ngayon, tayo ay pupunta sa Tagaytay! Kasama ang mga Alipores, aka Colored Currents. Let's go to Tagaytay! The best ninong ever. Happy moving up day, ate.
Congrats. Yeah, thank you, Tito.
Masaya ba kayo? Ako muna ka-date niyo.
Yes.
For the next 5 years, ako muna ka-date.
Next 5 years.
Kaya mapayag ah. Tita Ella, we miss you. Tatay Charito, nandyan ka oh. Charito. B. Hi. Naka-record ka. Paglalaban ka niya. Pero, kakayanin mo siya.
Chocolateria.
Antonio? Breakfast at Antonio. We're in Tagaytay. Bag of Beans, Antonio and Charito branch. Yung ba tawag doon?
Antonio and Charito.
So, rational tong YouTube na to. Okay, at dito, lika. Ayan ay mga damo. Kita natin na may anyong tubig. O, anong anyong tubig yan?
Lawa.
Ano yan sa Tagalog?
Laway.
Ang talino. Sobra. Lamig. Very nice. So we are celebrating Ate Yana's moving up day. At wala siyang pake sa nagaganap. Doon lang siya, tiga mo, nag-straw-straw lang siya doon. Ate Arlene, pakuya-kuya-koy. Such a nice view. Ganda. The golden hour. Hi, B.
Tapos ano,
Hi.
kasing
Congrats to us.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
malazay ng ano,
Nakapagpatapos
energy.
na tayo ng pre-kinder.
Yeah, finally. More. No, yan
Only
first.
how many years to go?
Ilang years pa ba?
Many more
16
years.
more. First, ano,
Thank you,
graduate.
Lord.
Yeah, thank you, Lord.
Hi. We are going to celebrate with our family. Grabe, no? Akala mo talaga may pa-cum laude kami. Ganang level tayo.
Hindi.
Because it's a Master. We really celebrate. Kami magsa-celebrate sa house ng aking kuya. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi may aircon sila. Best mother ever.
Congrats. Congrats.
Oh my God! Si ate na.
May sequel siguro yun.
Napanood mo na, Dad?
Oo.
Bitin eh, no?
Hindi. Yung nangyari sa pating no?
Dapat tinanong mo yung pati kung
So this is my brother's attempt to live a healthy life.
Lang daw yan, shot lang siya.
Okay.
Ano lasa?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sarap naman ng celery.
Pero sayang kasi siya, kailangan... Bearable pa carrot juice.
Yung benefit lang naman ng
Benefits ng celery.
The benefit is when you
The
drink
benefit ours.
the benefit ours when you drink it, you get a vitamins.
Ganda.
Yung